I'm Karl Johnson. Everywhere I've worked, nonprofits, film sets, small businesses, I kept encountering the same crisis, people overwhelmed by problems they were never meant to solve alone. I build AI-enhanced tools that solve them anyway. Books. They sit there, quietly, waiting to be read. Every unread volume in the American home is an invitation to ideas, to questions, to the kind of leisurely ideological drift that foreign interests have spent decades cultivating in the household. Big Book knows this, and right now, in homes across this great nation, the shelves are full. The concerned citizen attempts to act, but Big Book has ensured the process is confusing and demoralizing, because a person who spends enough time surrounded by books will eventually pick one up. And once they start reading, well, we've seen where that leads. BookBounty was built to end the standoff. The user sets a culling goal, the strategic framework for every decision that follows. The app asks what you are trying to accomplish. The ISBN is entered. BookBounty retrieves the metadata, consults current market data, and issues a directive. Before the user has time to flip to the first chapter out of idle curiosity, the AI has reviewed the title against the stated goal. It concurs. The books are gone, sold, donated, dispatched before they could do what they were designed to do. The creeping threat of unstructured afternoon reading has been neutralized. People who've made it through say the same thing. Why didn't I do this sooner? Somewhere, an editor closes their copy of Das Kapital and weeps. BookBounty. Your books have been warned.